Just fitting these new tyres. These are the Continental Trail Attack 3s. I'm fitting these new tyres on my Scrambler. So I'm just checking the balance on them. I've got a ABBA static wheel balancer set up here, and I just thought I'd make a quick video showing how it works. So these are actually pretty well balanced now, but you can see with the balancer you've got this really good set of bearings that it runs on, and the idea is that you should be able to stop the tyre, and when it's well balanced it will just sit where it is. So you can see that's just sat there. Move it around a little spot. Yeah. So this, I actually had these tyres fitted down at the local Triumph garage, and they balanced them there on the the dynamic wheel balancing machine. But I just thought it'd be interesting just to try that and see what they were like on the static balancer, and that seems pretty good to me. So I do, on some of the bikes I do change the tyres myself, and so I've got a set of wheel weights, and this allows you to do the balancing. So this is not a whole video on how to balance tyres, just thought I'd show you. It's an ABBA wheel balancer. It's a useful bit of kit to have in the garage, is this. For a number of reasons. One, if you're changing tyres yourself, but also if as tyres wear, the balance changes. So sometimes if my tyres are getting a bit low, I'll take them off, just recheck the balance and maybe rebalance them. Okay, just a quickie. Bye.